Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. So for today's video is babalikan natin yung dati naging Disney princess din tayo guys. So reminiscing the past or fast forward guys. So ito yung gala namin sa Japanicam. So as usual, it was the Christmas to siya nga time guys. Then marami kami mga lights. And then naghahanap kami dito ng afam. Char lang. So lakad-lakad. Yun lang. Lakad, kain. Tapos balik na naman tulog. And then the experience is so much fun. And then first time and not once and not twice but first time. So ayun. Ang ganda pala no. So yun lang guys. So as usual, ang ingay-ingay ng paligid, ang daming pok-pok-pok at saka yung pito ng ng soccer. Diyos ko Lord. Pinto ko lang sa inyo dito guys, no. Pagpupunta tayo ng Japan, so kailangan natin ng visa, no. So saan man kayong lupalop ng mundo natatagpuan guys. So meron man yan diyang Japan Embassy, so dyan kayo mag-apply. So ticket at saka yung hotel nyo, yung nabook na hotel nyo at saka kung sino mang sa inyo guys. Kung meron man kayong sponsor or sariling bulsa nyo, okay lang. Pwede din AFAM. Kailangan din yun siya sa embassy guys kasi kailangan lahat ng papers kasi mostly we are the TNT or takbo ng tago. Roshag Farm nila CD guys. Sadie. Ang snow na dito sa baba. Sa man-made o nila. But still a snow.
Rhea, isang OFW dito sa Malaysia. Welcome to Switzerland. Hey guys, yun yung Mount Fuji, okay? That's so far. Paalam! Thank you so much. Thank you Lord. So nice. But so freezing.
Here guys is the part of Nihauma. Annyeonghaseyo and arigatou gozaimasu guys. It's a lake and a water bay for itself. Go right. Ito yung guys. Yung mataas na guys nila, escalator. See the area. So you're here. So tired na guys. So all are behaved na. So pagod-pod na to the walking. Susulitin yung mga araw guys at mga oras na natitira. So meron pa pala ditong Levity of the USA. Guys, this part is still Tokyo. So here guys is the barrel of sacred and straw. So dito guys is yung mga iniimbak nila yung wine na sa mahaba at matagal na panahon guys. Some people say it's cost to 100 years old of wine. Wow. And hindi din tayo pahuhulid guys sa sa pinaka-famous na crosswalk ng Japan, yung Shinjuku, Shinjuwa, at pang mga shin na ganyan guys. So welcome to Japan.
Going back to the barracks guys. Going home and going to the reality of life. Oh my gosh.